A fire at an oil depot in Prolatarsk has entered its fifth day, with another container exploding, according to Russian media. Locals fear the fire could reach gas tanks, which could lead to a much larger explosion if they rupture. And again, we have a great story. Ukrainians scammed the Russian Milbloggers 2 majors of 1 million rubles. On August 9th, 2 majors announced a collection for fighters in the Kursk area, including 7 Mavics, for a total of 1,800,000 rubles. Ukrainians contacted the fund and convinced them that they could promptly deliver the Mavics, but an advance payment was required. On August 13th, the head of the 2 majors with over 1 million followers on Telegram transferred 999,000 rubles to the account of the fictitious company OO Digital ARS RUS. On August 20th, a unit of the Armed Forces of Ukraine recorded a video with words of gratitude for the purchased equipment. Like Army, like Milbloggers, clowns.
Приобретена за ваши средства. Также хотим выразить слова благодарности офисникам города Днепр за передачу средств.
Well, this is nice. The crew of a Russian BMP-3 during the chaos of the battle in the village of Ruskaya Konopelka, Kursk region, accidentally opens fire on a Russian BMP-2 and destroys it. Kursk. Situation. The offensive of the Liberation Army in the Kursk region continues. Koronevo is practically surrounded. It is a town in the Kursk region. It has a population of about 5,500 people. There are 3 cauldrons formed. One to the west below the Seym River that has trapped some 3,000 Kremlin soldiers, a central one that is already tactically closed, and it is unknown how many Kremlin soldiers and equipment are trapped, and another to the east. Ukrainian drones attacked Moscow, and again the Rostov warehouses. The Kremlin regime has sent priests to pray to no one knows who, and ask that the nightmare end. Propagandists are now discovering that Ukraine has gained the upper hand in technology, and that the Kremlin has deceived its subjects. Paratroopers from Ukraine's 46th Airborne Brigade destroyed 13 pieces of Russian military equipment, including tanks and BMPs, during a coordinated 3-act operation involving artillery, anti-tank units, and drones. Among Russian losses was a T-90 tank. Ukrainian GUR hacked Russian TV, and it is beautiful. All what Russian state media try to hide. The video suggests that Russia under Putin has reached sclerosis point with allusion to the last years of the USSR and the invasion of Afghanistan. It shows the largest surrender of Russians in this war, dead Russians by hundreds, and the war crimes on an industrial scale while portraying Putin as detached from reality.
Ты посмотри на. Чё, хохлы? Чё ли?
The Ukrainian Navy has destroyed an enemy ammunition and fuel storage facility reportedly located on the Kinburn Spit in the Black Sea. Ukraine aid operations just made a huge delivery to the Kursk warriors of the 22nd Mechanized Brigade. The warriors of the 22nd Brigade send regard to the whole Warthog Defense community for enabling this huge support package. You have the link in the description for your donations.
And finally, we have arrived to see 22nd Separate Mechanized Brigade, the catalyst of this fundraiser. The package, as you can see, is absolutely massive. We have 28-inch FPV drones, we have 10-inch 5 drones, I believe. We have 2 Matrices 30T, we have 2 very powerful jammers, we have 2 big EcoFlows, 2 small EcoFlows, 2 generators, 2 Starlinks, Avengers, and the anti-drone gun. We would like to extend biggest thanks to YouTube channels Ukraine Matters, Warthog Defense, and the Combat Veteran Reacts. Thank you so much for your continued support of our fundraisers, and especially of this fundraiser. Without you, it would have not been this massive. And thank you to all the donors who made this package possible and all the other packages too.
Ми, бійці 22-ї окремої механізованої бригади, висловлюємо подяку за надану допомогу благодійному фонду Ukraine Aid та особисто Римі. Дякуємо за надану допомогу. Вона допоможе нам виконувати бойові завдання у Курській області. Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.